Hello, welcome back to everybody watching this video. For my new people, please hit that subscribe button and like button to help YouTube algorithm. And for my day ones, you already know the drill. Hit that like button because we got good things coming up soon. So pretty much, these next few videos are going to be all dedicated towards the stock market. Mark my word. Everybody's out here asking me questions. What is the stock market? Tell me more about stocks. What exactly is a stock? And I decided to go from the basic, right from the start. And I'm going to tell you what is a stock. Because there's no point to invest into something that you have no idea about. So I'm gonna literally start from like beginner's level basic. And I'm gonna tell you what a stock is. So a stock is pretty much having an ownership of a company. So for example, I'm gonna use a pie and pretend that pie is representing the company of Coca-Cola. And if you gave me, for example, if you gave me 20 bucks, you're like, all right, so this stock is worth $20, may I have one? So now I gave you the share. A stock and a share is literally the same exact thing, just a share is a more professional way of saying it. So for example, you bought one share. So I would give you that part of the pie that was worth to that one share. You would put it on your plate. Now you have ownership of that company that you just invested to. So that is what a stock is. And why would a company go public for you to invest in it is another question. A company would go public for you to invest in it because now it will gain in value. So for example, if I opened up a business, let's say, and I had people who wanted to invest with me, they would put up my value because they're saying, all right, I'm gonna bet X amount of money that you're gonna go up, obviously, because they want to be profitable also. Another thing that can happen is when you invest and a company goes down, so does your value of whatever you bought. So for example, if you bought that share at $20 and the company went down to 15, your share would obviously be $15 worth compared to the 20, so you're negative $5. But it could also rise. And there's different ways that people would show that. There's platforms that I wanted to explain to you guys, like M1 Finance, who show what you buy as a pie chart, and there's others like Robinhood who show it as a normal graph. So I'm gonna leave the links to those two in the description, and please let me know if what do you think about this video. I literally just went over the basic of what is a stock. There's multiple different investments you could do in the stock market, and there's different types of stock also. But I feel like I should just go over the basic of what exactly is a stock in this video. So again, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and like for more. Comment what more you want to know because I'll give it to you all. Thank you guys for watching.